Chapter 3, Roles and Responsibility. Federal Railroad Administration, Office of Railroad Safety, Hazmat Material Compliance, December 2011. Chapter 3, Roles and Responsibility. 3-1, Responsibility Hazmat Material Division Personnel. 311, Staff Director. The Hazmat Materials Division is led by the Staff Director, who provides overall policy guidance, provides evaluation, direction, technical advice for rail safety programs for the FRA and state safety programs, coordinates programs with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, Federal Aviation Administration, Pipeline Hazardous Materials Safety Administration, U.S. Coast Guard, and other concerned agencies or organizations. Administrates safety over compliance over the oversight of the program for transportation of spent nuclear fuel. Assigns the task headquarters specialist coordinate the joint headquarters regional hazmat material safety regulation safety programs. Ensure timely response correspondence with the outside of the agency. Assign priorities with the maximize the efficiency use of the resources. 312 headquarters of the RRS. Headquarters material staff. Headquarters of the Hazmat Material Specialist Engineering work under the Hazmat Division. Staff Director. These staffers liaise with industrial groups and associations. Lead specialized projects serving the resources for the field force. Response to information interpretation and requests of the FRA external customer, including Congress in consultation with the RCC as appropriate. Analyze the issue one-time movement approval affecting cars in non-compliance with the regulation. Coordinated such analysis approval with the regional hazmat material as appropriate. Analyze requests for special permits coordinated with the regional hazmat material personnel as inappropriate. Devise the personal hazmat material safety administration of the FRA's findings. Analyze proposal alternative inspection intervals and proceed under Title 49 CFR 180.509K. Collect analyze data releases of the hazmat material. Interpret the special needs ethanol program and provide advice with the necessary serve the technical representative that has material investigation where the National Transportation Safety Board is involved. Advance the program and quality assurance in the tanker car building and repair industry. Provide expert assistance regulatory development, projecting, detailing, projects dealing with hazmat material. Associated Office of the Chief Counsel representing the hazmat material enforcement issue with the requested evaluating violation reparation reports, technical assistance complaints, and conferences and court proceedings. 313, Regional Hazard Material Supervisor Specialist. Each Regional Hazard Material Specialist is responsible for technical guidance for all the hazmat activities within the region. In this capacity, the Regional Specialist is the access point of the hazmat material activities within the region, works to ensure the uniformity of the program implementation, is liaison between the regional field inspector headquarters of the hazmat safety director or specialist, associates the regional administrator with the planning and managing program, advises regional administrator of the youth problem areas, operating practice, chemicals, research, development, and safety and health needs. Provides technical guidance for the hazmat material activities within the region that evaluates the allocation of the hazmat inspection resource within the region commensurable with the risk of all the materials offered by the transportation region and transported through the region. Evaluates the critiques the reports submitted by each of the hazmat inspectors for technical and legal sufficiency. Evaluates criteria of the hazmat material inspection field reports concerning railroad accidents, incidents, derailments, determine the casual factors are appropriately identified, analyze safety data, other relevant information, identify the trends, and make recommendations. Working with the hazmat material inspector provided with the technical guidance and uniform understanding of the laws, ordered, and rules, regulations concerning the transportation of hazmat material regulation by railroad. Leads and coordinated special assessment assignments, inspection, investigation, focused enforcement activities. Provides technical knowledge of the typical reactions with a wide variety of hazard material variation, environmental community conditions, temporary pressure, and changes contact with the other materials. Consideration for containing and controlling fires, explosions, leaks of these materials. Provide technical guidance for the federal, state agencies, local governments, railroad, chemical, container manufacturers, offers, labor organizations, employees of these entities. conduct conferences, seminars, federal, state agencies, local governments, railroads, chemical containers, manufacturer, officers, labor organization, employees of these entities, assist office of the chief of the council representative that has material related by the enforcement and issued with the request of evaluating the violation reports, technical assistance at claims and conferences in the court proceedings, monitoring completion, updating the regional inspection of the point list 314. Hazmat material inspection. Each of the region is a cadre of the HM Hazmat material inspector who serves at the front line for the FRA Hazmat program, ensuring the uniform of the application of law, rules, regulation, orders, directives associated with the Hazmat material transportation and assigned with the temporary territory. The hazmat inspector is also a resource within the territory to help each of the entity involved with the dangerous chemicals be aware of both responsibility, the resource available to meet the federal requirements. In this vital capacity, the inspector informs the regional hazardous material specialist of all the practices he or she observes, whether they are governed regulation which could endanger the safety of regulated community, railroad personnel, and the public. Represent the FRA with assigned territory communication enforcing the requirements of the FRA directives and the human hazard material regulations. Perform inspection, investigation, initiating corrective action when warranted. Inspect containers, box barrels, drums, tanker cars, rail cars, intermodulate portable tanks, intermodulate bulk containers used with the transportation of hazmat material, determine with compliance regulations concerning their construction, testing, maintenance, and qualification requirements. Inspection procedures, offers of the hazmat material, rail concerning classification, packaging, marketing, labeling, placarding, loading, documentation, and shipment of the hazmat material. Inspecting, loading, unloading, switching to transportation, railway cars, hazmat, and carrier documentation. Also assign participating team efforts of the federal, state, and local agencies as appropriate to improve the safety of a particular area and entity. As assigned with the participate with the multiple regional teams using including the headquarters personnel in the auditing of tanker car facilities, inspecting compliance with the hazmat material regulations, training requirements, provide the training advisory, industrial, local, state authorities for the other interested parties with the requirements of the hazmat material regulation, investigate all alleged violations of the hazmat material regulation, maintain accurate, up-to-date list of the inspection point list when appropriate, draft violation reports, gathered evidence, support and alleged violation, performing the duties assigned. This is inserted tab for Chapter 4. Chapter 4. Inspection Investigation Procedure.